Meghalaya Trinamool Congress negasngi galakanto ekasoka Meghalaya Democratic Alliance balalam khmat da kaseng NPP na kabenta kajing bomla kajongka banbut dien halo kajing jaya siat hamukro kabalalam syakajing yap jong hnreungut kibriu sangut kibedai na Meghalaya beruwai na Assam abakran bekila pathai khubor unong lam ktien ka Meghalaya Trinamool Congress iba George Bilingdo ilaong ba kakenhun Special Investigation Team ka balal thau banwat bnia halo kajing jaya hamukro kadai tang kajing tap khmat katkum ka jing sngow jong u ya ke FIR la deiban tho ajala Meghalaya bat ya ke badon kti la deiban kem bat ya ka hukum pha hajer la deiban ayaki ulo ong shu shu bayakane la deiban le katkum ka an bat ka kendon jong ka CRPC
right on our land, and those culprits should have been booked, and then warrants have been issued to them. But then they came up with the issue of the SIT, which in fact we know that the entire outcome of such investigations will not be there. It should have been as per law and as per the the provisions of IPC and CRPC. But the government did not follow.